Hey guys, welcome back to Just a Geek in the Garage. So today I want to do a let's get ready for the parking lot sale coming up here starting on March 2nd for ITC members. So I've done a video of the leak of this and of having the actual flyer as well. But today I want to go over some real life examples of what's included, and we've actually gotten a lot more clarity on what's going to be included with this sale right over here, because there was a little bit of debate on what was going to be included and what wasn't. So let me kind of go over a few of the other things first, then I'll kind of go over this one and this one specifically because I know that is the one that gets most people excited. So the first deal, on here that is actually, it's not a bad deal, although maybe I would skip it, is going to be this guy right over here. This thing is 52% off, which is not a bad deal at all for something like this. However, Harbor Freight, at least a couple times a year, will give this thing out for free with a purchase, especially if you're an ITC member. So, those ones, if you need them, not a bad deal, but you might want to wait until they're free or something like that. Other one that's a pretty good deal is going to be the gloves right here. It's 50% off. Not bad gloves at all, and if you guys want to stock up when they're 50% off, I think is the best time to kind of do it. And then I'm going to kind of go down here on the first page, and I'm going to go right back up again. Of the deals that are down here, I really actually like this guy, especially at the 34% off. I used this when I was having some AC problems in the house, testing it out, making sure, things were working. And for 15 bucks, I don't think you can go wrong with something like that. It seems like it's pretty accurate as well. So now let's go to the ones that I think are going to be the most popular ones. It's going to be this one right over here, and like I said, this guy right over here. And of course, there's the bottle jacks, there's the jack stands if you guys need them, and then this deal over here. But let's go over these guys first. So, a couple of the deals that are in here are the ones that are included of this, I should say, I think are going to be really, really good deals. The first one is the one that's kind of just floating right here underneath it, and that's going to be that Quinn 87-piece bit set, socket set. And it has pretty much every, Torx and hex that you want, metric standard, even some e-Torx on here as well. This is basically comparable to that, the Bluepoint 87-piece set. But this thing is, going to be a fraction of the price of that one, because that one, I think, as of right now, last I heard, it's about $1,000, which I think is absolutely crazy, especially considering that it is Bluepoint and not even Snap-on. The next one that I think is going to be a pretty good deal right over here is going to be the Quinn Master Sets. So there's a Master Set right over here. This is their 3/8 Impact Master Set. They also have the chrome ones that are going to be included, and then there's also going to be the 1/2 inch and I believe 3/4 version of this as well. I plan on picking up the 1/2 inch version. I've been needing some new 1/2 inch impact sockets because the only ones that I currently have are going to be the Pittsburgh. I watched a video not too long ago on Tools and Twisties, great channel if you guys haven't checked it out, where he compared these guys over to the Icon ones, and these ones basically beat out the Icon ones, and I tend to agree just based off of what I saw on that video. And then next up, let's kind of go into the socket drawer right here. And the majority of what you kind of see in here is also going to be included in that sale, which I think is going to be great. So you have this 1/4 inch general service set from Icon right over here, metric, standard, no skip, stuff like that. Comes with, extensions, the ratchet in the foam, then also comes with a blow molded case if you want to take it with you. And then the 3/8 set is going to be included as well. I've seen online that looks like Harbor Freight's working on a 1/2 inch version of this as well. So I'm definitely looking forward to that, even though I don't usually use a lot of 1/2 inch chrome sockets at least. Everything else that you see in here, we got, some semi-deeps, we have some adapters, even the extensions. We got the wobble extensions, the extra long extensions, triple squares, the 10mm set, all of the different hex and Torx, both metric standard, regular version, and long version are going to be included. I did not see the crow's feet in this. I think they consider this more of a wrench than a part of sockets. But, everything else that you kind of see here in cases is going to be included. And that also includes, I believe, going to be this guy as well, their meme, XL tool, which honestly for 35% off, I think is a pretty good deal. When it's normal price at $80, normally I would say go ahead and skip that. But that's going to be, I think, really the best deal that you're going to get over a Harbor Freight, coming up here. And then so let's kind of go back to the ad and see what else we got. Next up is going to be these the U.S. General carts. 25% off. I think that's going to be a great deal. Personally, I'm looking at the full bank cart that has the the full drawers on there. I've been looking at that one for a long time, and I think I'm finally going to pull the trigger. It's usually $600, going to be $450 with the sale, which I think is a pretty good deal. But the other one, obviously you got the 5-drawer cart. There's actually the Series 2. Right now they're on the Series 3, but this one just has the blackout trim on it as well. And then I'm going to kind of zoom right over here, and I have that 1-drawer cart as well. Over there, and that's going to be included, as we can kind of basically see, in here. So those, I think, are going to be kind of the most exciting deals that you're going to get. From there, I'm not going to go over every single item. I've kind of gone through this ad before, but I just want to talk about some notable ones. So this guy right here at 50% off, I think is going to be a great deal. This thing, is, I think, almost more versatile than the Icon one, just because of how articulating it is. I mean, you have it like this, it goes back like this, all that kind of stuff. So, and, very, very nicely magnetic. And, this is something that I would definitely, highly recommend right over here, especially when it's 50% off. One kind of sad note, let me just kind of, before I go on to the next page, is, I was really hoping, sorry, I got this to fall. I was really hoping that this set right here, which is the Quinn Master Technician set, was going to be included, because it was included last year right around this time. Unfortunately, it does not look like it is this time around. I mean, who knows, maybe we're wrong, but as of this recording, to my knowledge, that is not going to be included, in that set. I'm sorry, in that sale, I should say. Next up, on this page, just got a couple of things to talk about. We got this, the multimeter right here. When it's sub $5, I think it's a pretty good deal. This is a super basic multimeter right over here. But, honestly, for the price, it does everything that I needed to. And, I do have some nicer multimeters, but I have one of these kind of, upstairs, downstairs, and a lot of different go bags. So if you guys are just looking for a basic multimeter that's just going to work, this is not a bad one to kind of get. One thing to kind of note, though, is I have had, probably about 5 or 6 of these over my lifetime. One of them was just bad, didn't work. The numbers were completely off. I thought I was doing something wrong. So make sure you test these guys when you buy it. Hopefully that was just a fluke, and that was one that I bought, probably 15 years ago. The ones that I bought fairly recently all have been working very, very well. Next up, I always talk about this drill bit set. A great set. I usually pick up a few sets for my business whenever they're having this deal. They're not the greatest drill bits in the world, but for $12, having a full set of drill bits works well on wood, aluminum, stuff like that. Obviously steel and things, you're probably going to want to skip and go to something else. On here we also have the Bauer system. They're going to have a starter kit. This is not a bad deal to go into. This is, again, another thing that I use for the business. I kind of mix this along with some M18s depending on what we're using, and they haven't failed me yet. And I have probably 3 or 4 different sets of these at work right now. These the angle grinder discs, also I think a great deal to kind of stock up on when they are this price. And then this little tape measure, not a bad tape measure. I have a few of them around the house. I'm not sure if these are 100% accurate or not, but they work for what I'm basically looking to do. However, a lot of times, just like those unibits I showed earlier, or the step bits, they will go for free at Harbor Freight at least a few times a year. You got some more of these kind of deals in yellow, and then moving on down, next one that I'd want to talk about is going to be this guy right over here. $129, not a bad deal. It looks like, unfortunately, they did raise the MSRP on this. It used to be, I believe, $179, and it would drop all the way down to $99. Now it's $199, and it's dropped down to $129. I had a commenter tell me that whenever we see these red circles, that denotes the lowest price, or at least something special about it. If you guys know exactly what it denotes, maybe leave it in the comments for me down below. But I have that right over here, and great little jack. I can definitely recommend getting it. And then this is the other one, which the Pittsburgh version. Honestly, I had this one for a while. It's almost identical. I could barely tell the difference. I believe the only real difference is that this one is a little bit of a lower profile than this guy. So if you have a lower car, maybe you have to go with the Daytona. But for most things, something like this, I think is going to work really well. When it comes to the storage, usually I wait until they have a % off deal. Because with something like this, they may seem like a decent deal, but honestly, you can probably get better throughout the year unless this is something that you really want to go with. This right here, the multi-spline extractor set, has saved me a few times. Not a bad deal considering the price. You know, under 50 bucks is 28% off. Not a bad one to go with. And again, kind of in the yellow here, nothing crazy to talk about. You know, up here, again, all kind of the same basic stuff. Right here, we got some welders, some welding accessories, and a welder. We got a light. We got a lot of you know, air compressors and air compressor accessories. If you guys are still into that, you know, I haven't used those in many years. And then we have this ladder, a great little ladder. I have a few of these for the business as well. They seem to work really well. And kind of moving on down, again, nothing too crazy. Now, these hammers right here, I always say whenever I see them on sale, especially when they're in that kind of $3 range, you know, I'll usually pick up a few for the business as well. They're not bad to have. Personally, you know, my favorite, I like the rip hammer over the regular claw hammer, but it just depends on, you know, what you're doing. We use them mostly kind of for demolition, like taking down existing gutters and stuff like that. So a claw hammer is definitely more useful. I'm sorry, a rip hammer is definitely more useful than a claw for us. But that's basically the sale kind of in a nutshell. Now, I'm recording this on the Thursday before this sale, and as of right now, you know, they have not added anything to this sale that I've seen. Now, they will normally add a page or two, you know, online, you know, right before the sale, where they'll add a few more kind of things and kind of shift things around. I haven't seen that as of yet, but, you know, maybe we'll see that in the next couple of days. If so, you know, I'll try to put another video out just kind of explaining it. But for right now, you know, just want to kind of get ready for this. You know, I'm personally going in, I'm looking at that 1/2-inch Quinn Impact Master set. I'm looking for the low profile 1/2-inch as well that you can put a wrench on. And then I'm going to be looking for the full bank on there as well. So that's what I'm going to be looking at. I don't know what you guys are going to be looking for. Is this a parking lot sale that you guys are excited for, that you're going to line up at 8 a.m. Harbor Freight to get what you want, or is this one that you're going to skip? Again, dates are right over here, March 2nd through March 5th if you're an ITC member, March 6th through March 9th, I'm sorry, 8th through for everybody else. So as always, thank you guys so much for watching. Please like and subscribe.